Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will explain and set up the React projects, how to create a projects and what software need to install first before creating the projects, and how to check the node commands, and how to create the projects and how to run the project. So for creating the projects, we need to install Node.js software. So for downloading the Node.js, we need to search Chrome browser, Node download. You will see one link appear, Node.js link. So you need to click this one and just click MSI. It will take some time to download the software. Yeah, it is downloaded. Just open it and install this one. If you want to see the Node version, right now there is no version available. You can see I have used the command node -v for checking the Node version. So I'm going to install Node, accepting the license agreement. Next, 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 install. Yes. Once software installation is done, then we need to check the project. Let's check React project. So I'm going to first one here, getting started. Scroll down, create a new React type. There is a command which needs to create the React projects. So I'm going to use npx create React type and type name. So for creating the projects, first finishing it, let's open cmd command for checking the node version. So I'm opening new cmd command. Here typing node -v. Yeah, you can see node version 22.12.0 installed. So we're also going to check npm version as well. It is showing 11.0.0. Now I am going to create a React project. So I'm going to C folder, C folder, React project, deleting the already existing projects. Now opening the CMD, deletion is going on. That is already I have created the old projects. So here I am going to create a new project using the command npx create React type, npx create React type command to first I enter it. It will take lots of time for creating the project. So let's wait until project creation is not done. Now let's see project has been created and there is some dependencies error is appearing here. Let's go to that's created folder, created projects, and trying to run the projects by using npm start command. So I have typed the npm start and entered to run the projects. Let's see. It is again giving error. Let's check what is the issue. So module not found, can't resolve web vital. What is the issue in here? Let's run a run a commands. Can't resolve. Let's install it. Can't find resolve. Can't find this one. So I'm going to installing this one. npm I web vital hyphen save hyphen dev. Enter it. Vitals. We have entered wrong names. Now it is correct. Let's see. Yeah, now let's start again the projects. Yeah, now it is working. You can see here. So in this video, I have explained the how to install the required software for set up the React projects. So first, I have installed Node.js. After that, I have checked the Node version, Node-v commands, and then I also checked the npm version as well by using npm-v version. And after that, I have created a projects by using the commands npx create react app and app name. After created the projects, I was faced a issue to run the projects. The issue is web vitals not found. So I have installed manually web vitals dependencies by using npm I web vitals commands. After installing the web vitals, I have again started the projects and it is working as expected. You can see in the cmd commands as well as UI. In upcoming videos, I will explain how to create the our our components in React. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you you can subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching my video.